Hey, good morning, traders. Welcome to the next way trading. My name is Lester, and today we are going to have another live trading session giving to you more context about this strategy for binary options, and not just for binary options. Actually, I have a full indicator for MT4 and MT5 using this strategy. If you want to get this expert advisor and indicator totally free, open a new account with Pocket Option using the link below in this video. I'm gonna give to you access to request this expert advisor. This link is gonna be below in this video. You need to put your full name, your email, your Telegram user. If you don't have an account with Pocket Option or FOREX, you can click it here. It's gonna open a new account with the broker that you choose, Pocket Option or FOREX, and you need to put your Pocket Option ID or your FOREX ID and send me a screenshot when you make your deposit, and I'm gonna send to you if you create your new account with the links below in this video. I'm gonna give it to you totally free, this and access to my binary options free signals where I trade in every day with this strategy. Saying this, let's go to give to you more context about how this strategy really works. Let's go to add more charts to find good examples. We are gonna use two indicators. Remember, we are gonna use into the super trend and the MACD. The periods for the MACD, someone asking, is 10. The fast period, slow is 26, and signal period is 50. And the trend signal is called its settings, 10 ATR and multiplier for 3. So this is the signals we are going to receive. And the moment we receive the signal, we trade for 5 minutes. But to get a more and powerful signal, we are going to wait for something here. Need to have on our MACD, if it is a buy signal, need to be above of the period 0, like this one here. This is a period 0, and it's above. We receive the signal here, and we trade for 3 minutes or 5 minutes. The strategy works really good with this settings. So let's go to find a good signal for us. Just need to wait the indicator sent to us a signal to buy or sell, and we are gonna trade. Of course, this strategy is not 100% effective or 100% win rate, but if you follow these signals, it's gonna be so simple to make money for you. And the indicator for NT4 or NT5 is gonna provide to you signals in your cell phone. You receive the signal, you go to your account with Pocket Option, and boom, put your sell trade or buy trade. Look at this. We have all the settings here. We have the signal. We have below of the previous 0 because it's a down or sell signal. So we have this one too, and we trade for 3 minutes. Let's go to see how ended this. Look at this beautiful signal. We receive the sell signal, we trade for 3 minutes. Very simple and very easy to use in this strategy actually. And we have the first trade in the money. Looks very good, right? Look at this. If you're open a trade with totally full automated with your account, with I don't know, FOREX account with any broker, you're gonna have this amazing tool to provide this type of trades. This is a huge movement. It's a huge movement. So it's a very good strategy for, I don't know, Euro USD, FOREX currencies. You can trade also with gold if you wanted, but I recommend you before to using it, test it. So fill this form and make your first deposit with Pocket Option, and I'm gonna add you to my free binary options signals group. So I really hope so this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell. On the next video, I'm gonna show you how looks the expert advisor and the indicator works full automatic with this strategy. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you on the next one.